Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram filters not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, let me show you here my filters are working or not. If your filters are not working on that, what you have to do is just simply close this page. And after that, what you have to do is just simply open Play Store. And search for Instagram. And first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of Instagram. So you can see here it's showing here open. If it's showing your update, then what you have to do is just simply update your app and then check whether problem has been fixed or not. If the permission logic, then what you have to do is just simply close this page again and you have to open the settings. And after that, what you have to do is just simply check that you have a strong internet connection. If you don't have strong enough connection, then what you have to do is just simply turn your phone to Wi-Fi connection and then check whether Roman has not switched to or not. If the permission still exists, then what you have to do is just stop that, and after doing this you have to check that your problem is fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply uninstall Instagram and then restart your phone and then reinstall Instagram. And after doing all these things, I will guarantee you your problem has been fixed. So this was the process by which you can fix Instagram filters not working. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.